Okay, here we go. We go. New low price daw ang hagdanan. Sige, ma'am, share out. Thank you so much. Ayan tayo. Dito tayo sa IKEA ngayon. Lalabs. Mga lalabs. Mga Pilipino. May nakita ko mga Pilipino. Doon sila sa baba. See you. See you in the restaurant. IKEA tayo ngayon. Sa IKEA tayo ngayon, lalabs. IKEA Advent Calendar. So one is ganda one here. Where's lovely and Daddy Christ?
You want coffee? I've got 3 cups here.
Yes. Hi.
Regular cooked breakfast, please. 2 of, 2. Yeah, please.
Si Daddy daw, magbabayad daw. Yummy lalabs. Yummy. Sausage. Gusto yung dessert. Dessert lalabs. Croissant. Ay, cinnamons. And this one is, ito yung cinnamons. Ito yung bread. And salad. Bread lalabs. And, no more salad. No salad today. Yan ang mga food dito sa IKEA. I like the cinnamon. Lovely. Cinnamon, lovely. Lovely. To. This one? For you, but for me it's nice. Kaluluwa mo. Hindi na pwede.
That's enough.
That's enough. That's enough. Una ka man.
Okay.
Uspe. Lovely. Chocolate lalabs. Ay, ginger things. Ginger. Chocolate. Milk chocolate with caramel. Ayan siya. Yummy. 1 box, 2 box, 3 box. 4. Iko naman eh. Ito yung kahanan ng kutsara. Tapos mga sauce. Ito po yung kutsara. This is the one glass. Breakfast and the bells. And IKEA. Ito yung kahanan ng kape. Our food. Yummy food. Dessert. Charap. Sa IKEA. Bye.
Oh, yeah, I'm in.
UN.